Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix webcam is not working in your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to go to your start menu and click on settings button over there. So here is the settings button, or else you can right click on your start menu and click on settings. After open settings window, you just need to go to privacy and security from your left side. And now you have to scroll down and find this option which is called camera. So go to camera and make sure that camera access is enabled over there. Okay. And after that, you just need to close this window. Now you have to right click on your start menu. Just right click and click on device manager. After that, what you have to do, you just need to expand this window. Now expand the cameras. After that, right click on your camera driver, just right click and just click on update driver. After that, click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have connected with your internet. So as you can see, I'm already using latest version of this driver. So close this window. Still, if your problem is there, then just go to your settings once again. Just right click and click on settings. Now here you click on system. Now you have to scroll down and click on troubleshoot. So click over there. After that, click on other troubleshooter. Now here you need to find the option called camera, and after that you have to click on this run the troubleshooter and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.